Check it out. You want to see something funny as hell? I've had this hang on the back Fluval filter, just screwing around with my test tank. And when I'm running it low, especially when I'm running it low, water level there, because I've got an adjustable weir, right? The Fluval filter, water was falling so far into the tank that it folded a lot of little bubbles into the water. Kind of bugged me. It was kind of loud too. You know, I screwed around with it and screwed around with it. Look what I found. The doodad from a shop vac turned upside down. Right now it's just rigged temporarily with some duct tape, a couple zip ties. But listen, I'll shut up. Nothing. Look, the two edges just by chance happen to be at the same height. The water doesn't fall at all. It's like a waterfall. Well, a water slide, more like. It's amazing. Look. That's it for bubbles. It's crazy. Ugly? Well, I don't know. Yeah. Who cares? Crazy.